Welcome to the Hub of Knowledge Study
Hey
Start.
guys, I hope you all are fine. Today I have come with a video on MCQ based on African continent, and these are the questions which will be based on the videos which we have already done regarding the African continent, right guys? So we are doing the first question. Which of the following pairs have been matched correctly regarding the geography of Africa? North, Red Sea? No, this is wrong because I have already told you that in the north there lies Mediterranean Sea. Southeast Indian Ocean, yeah, it is right. West Atlantic Ocean, it is also correct. See guys, north में lie करता है Mediterranean Sea, so this first option would be wrong. And in the southeast you can see Indian Ocean, this is right, and West Atlantic Ocean, this is also right. So our answer to this would be 2 and 3. These are the right option. Question number 2. Consider the following statements. Indian Ocean lies in the eastern hemisphere. Obviously it is right. Red Sea lies to the eastern hemisphere. Yeah, this is also right. See guys, this is map of world. इसमें आप देख सकते हो, this is prime meridian 0 degree, right, and this one is equator. This is also 0 degree latitude. So this is eastern hemisphere and this is western hemisphere, and you can see Indian Ocean written over here. This is in the eastern hemisphere, and also this one is Red Sea. It is also the part of eastern hemisphere. So answer would be both, that is C. Right guys, now you can read it again. Indian Ocean lies in the eastern hemisphere, yeah, very much right. Red Sea lies in the eastern hemisphere, it is also correct. So the answer would be C. Question number 3. Which of the following passes through Africa? As I have already told you that 3 latitude and 1 longitude passes through Africa. Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Equator, these all are the latitudes which passes through Africa, and this is prime meridian is longitude which also passes through Africa. Let me show you. See guys, this map, this is Africa, right, and you can see this prime meridian longitude 0 degree, it passes through Africa. And you can also see that this equator 0 degree, it is also passing through Africa. This is Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north, it is also passing through Africa. And this one, last one, is Tropic of Capricorn that lies in 23.5 degrees south, it also passes through Africa. So these are the 3 latitudes and 1 longitude which passes through Africa. So here you can see the answer would be all. That means the 1, 2, 3, 4 options are right. And if you remember, I have made cover page of this question, this one. So the answer would be all, right? Arrange the following from north to east. I have already told you these things also. Cape St. Francis, Good Hope, and Cape Agulhas. You know, one would be 2. That means Cape of Good Hope. Yeah, and then third Cape Agulhas, and then 1. That means answer would be 2, 3, 1. C would be the correct option. Let us see in the map. See this map guys, you can see this is Cape of Good Hope, right, and this is Cape Agulhas, and St. Francis lies over here. So it is easily you can arrange them from west to east, right guys. So answer would be C, 2, 3, 1. And if you remember, I also told you that Cape Agulhas is the southernmost point of Africa and Tunisia is the northernmost point of Africa. Which state separates Africa from Asia? I told you that from West Asia it separates Africa, and the name of the strait you must remember, Strait of Gibraltar, no, because it is separating Europe from Asia. Strait of Hormuz, no, because it lies in Asia. And Strait of Bab el-Mandab, yeah, this is the correct option. So answer would be third. See guys, in this way here, this is African continent, right, and this is West Asia. So this strait I'm talking about, this one, this is the Strait of Bab el-Mandab, and this is separating West Asia from from Asia. So answer would be third one, right? Question number 6. Which of the following countries share boundary with Gulf of Guinea? I told you. Liberia, no. Chad, no. Nigeria, right. This is right option. And fourth one is Ivory Coast. This is also right. So the answer would be 3 and 4. You can see here guys, these are the countries. This is Ivory Coast, this is Ghana, Togo, Benin, Nigeria, Cameroon, and Equatorial Guinea. And this is Gulf of Guinea, right. So the countries are Nigeria and Ivory Coast from these. Consider the following statement about Walvis Bay. It lies in Atlantic Ocean. Yeah, this is right. It lies to the north of Gulf of Guinea. No, it lies to the south of it. It shares the coastline of Namibia. Yeah, it is also right. So the answer would be 1 and 3. D would be the correct option. See guys, this is map of Africa, and somewhere here lies Walvis Bay. And this is country Namib. So it is touching boundary with Namib country. Question number 8. Consider the following statement about St. Helena Bay. It lies in Indian Ocean. It touches the coastline of Mozambique. So guys, both the options are wrong because it do not lies in Indian Ocean. It lies in Atlantic Ocean. And it do not touches coastline of Mozambique because it lies in eastern part of Africa. but it is on the western coast, so it touches the coastline of South Africa, right? See in this map, guys, you can see here, somewhat here lies St. Helena Bay, and this is Namibia country, and here lies Walvis Bay. 9. Consider the following statement about Delagoa Bay. It lies to the west of Mozambique Channel, right? It touches the coastline of Mozambique, right? So the option would be C, both. Question number 10. Which of the following countries are part of Grain Coast? As I have told you earlier in the previous videos. So, okay, let us see. Ghana, Guinea, Sierra Leone, Liberia and Senegal. So we know Ghana is not the country. Ghana is known as Gold Coast. Guinea is also not the country. Sierra Leone, yeah, this is right option. Liberia is also the right option, and Senegal, no. So the right option would be 3, 4. C. C would be the correct option. See guys, you can see this map. This is Sierra Leone and this is Liberia. These two countries are part of Grain Coast. As I told you that in colonial times, grain was exported to Europe from these countries. So guys, this was for today. I hope you have answered the questions correctly, and if you like my video, please like it, share it with your friends, comment on it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.